Hi everyone, I'm Jackie from the Careers Centre and I'm here to take you through the Career Fair Plus app. Hopefully you're aware that we're running CareersFest on the 30th of September and the 1st of October. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Career Fair Plus app onto your device. When you enter for the first time, you'll need to search for the University of Reading and then select CareersFest. You'll then be on this homepage of the event. If you click on more, you can find out further information. You can add to your calendar, get directions, contact us, or change events, which you'll need for our next event in mid-October. If you just look along the bottom of the app, you'll see a tab that says Employers. If you click there, you'll see all of our employers and training providers and volunteering opportunities that are participating in CareersFest. You can apply filters to these employers by clicking on the top right button, Filters. Here you can see, are they offering a chat? What business areas they might cover? What opportunity types they cover? What opportunity length? And what year groups they'd like to hear from. Let's go back to the full list. So let's take a look at campus jobs, the second one on there. All of the employers on here will have a similar format. So firstly, you've got their webinar title, date and time, and a link to book onto their webinar. We'd ask you to please book if you can, so we know how many people we're expecting. But you can also join all of our webinars via Careers 24/7 on Blackboard. You'll then see some information about what opportunities the employer or provider has to offer. Okay, the other thing you might have noticed is the one-to-one chats blue rectangles. Let's take a look at human appeal. So at the top of their entry, you can see one-to-one chats. You need to click there if you want to book a one-to-one telephone call with human appeal, but I'll show you a little bit more about how to do that when we get to the one-to-one chats button along the bottom. Okay, we've then just got a little promotion on the next tab about our photo booth, which you can find outside the Carrington building on both days of the event. You do need to book your appointment first via the app by visiting the LinkedIn booth entry to book. The next button, one-to-one employer chats. Now, the first thing you will need to do is to log in. I'm currently on the recruiter version. I'll just quickly change to student. So here, you will need to create an account if you haven't logged into Career Fair Plus before. Once you've filled out those details, you'll be asked a few short questions, and that will enable you to book one-to-one appointments when they become live. When you're ready to book, you can then click on the blue buttons in here or in the one-to-one chat at the bottom. And you can then log in and book, and those will open tomorrow. I'm recording on the 22nd of September. The next tab along, live webinars. If you are on a mobile device, you may find that that button is in the More area on the far right. So here you've got all of the webinars listed that are taking place for CareersFest. They are also on My Jobs Online, which you can access at reading.ac.uk/careers. And then lastly, you have announcements. So we haven't sent you any yet, but we will probably send you a few reminders nearer the dates of the event. And you have CareerFest, Career Fair 101, where you've got some information to help you prepare. Just to note there, assistance on the day. If you need any help during the event, accessing webinars or the one-to-one chats, please do just give us a call or drop us an email following these details. In the More button, you have just got information such as check for updates, and when you're ready to change an event to the next event, you can change here to Careers and Placements Fair, which is our next event. So I hope that's been useful. Of course, if you have any questions, just get in contact with us at Careers. That's careers@reading.ac.uk or 0118 378 8359. And we look forward to hearing from you.